Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. We have an add course here. When I click on this add course, when I try to add a new course here, select the status and click on the create course, we are able to add a new course, right? Now the concept here in this video is what we need to do is we need to apply a simple animation. So if I try to delete this one, automatically that course is getting deleted. It is getting just simply vanish. But if you try to do some animations while deleting the course or while adding a new course, if you try to do a simple animation, it looks somewhat better, right? So we already learned about the doing animations for the dynamically added elements. For the dynamically added elements, we used something like an enter and a leave transition. Let's try to implement this enter and leave transition for the same thing. Let's apply these all things. So here for creating this one, it's a simple thing. So what I can do is I will open this animations.ts file. So here in this animations.ts file, I will create a new variable, that is export constant course add state, whatever it may be the name. So here I will be using this trigger course add trigger. So this is the trigger I will be using, and in this one what we can say is we don't have any state. So we will use a transition for this one, transition. So for the entering, okay, for the enter transition, I will try to apply the styles for this enter transition. So for this one, for the enter transition, I will apply the style, and in this style, so for the first one, you'll be opacity 0, and I can have something like it like this, so minus 100%. So here I am trying to do first the opacity will be 0 when it is entering, and transform will be translate of minus 100%. Now I will try to animate it. So animate 300 milliseconds is out. So I will apply the styles for this one. So style, and I will do opacity 1, okay, and another one is translate, not Y actually. I am taking with the GitHub Copilot, it should be translate X. So while entering, we are applying the translate X of 0. Let's try to see whether it will work or not. So for this one, what we need to do, we need to go to the courses.component.ts file, and here let's add the state, and here we have added the state. We need to import this course add state. So we have imported it, and in the HTML, let's go to the app-course, and here I will add something like course add trigger. That's it. Now let's see whether we are able to see the animations or not. Now we are able to see some animation, right? So here I will apply some, what I can say is something around 800 milliseconds, so that you can be able to see very easily. Now if you try to see here, simply the animation, we are able to see the animation. Now I will add a new course here. I am adding a new course. Select the status active and click on the create course. See, a new course has been added. You can also do some improvements in this one, but first for the first phase we will try to see. Now when I try to delete this, I want to apply the animation. So for deleting also we need to apply an animation. So for this delete, what I can do is, so here we are having a transition for the enter, right? So we will add a transition for the leave also. So for the leave, I will apply a transition, and here I will have these all the things. So I will do already for the leaving, it will be in the opacity 1 and these things, right? So I will do animate of what I can say is 800 milliseconds, ease in or ease out or anything, okay. And here I will apply a style. I will apply opacity of 1, okay. I will apply opacity of 0, and I will apply a transform of translate X of 100%. So I will try to move it to the 100%. Let's see how it will look like. What happened? Why is this error coming? Translate X of 100% means this should be in a string. Yeah. Let's see whether how this one will look like. Opacity 0, translate. Now when it is leaving, I want to apply. Now here when I get, this is how we are getting, and I will click on the delete course. See, slowly it has been removed. So like this we are removing it. So this is how we will be applying the animations for this one. So here I can make it as a 500 millisecond, and we can also improve it little bit, but I will try to keep it very nominal. So here when I try to refresh this page, automatically everything will be coming, and I will click on the delete course, everything will be deleted. So this is how we will be doing, right? So you will be able to see it like this. So if I try to add a new course here, select status, and we will be able to add a new state. And if I click on the delete, it will go away. So this is how we will be adding this one. So this is a simple animation which we have did it now. So course add state, course add trigger, for enter and leave I have added it, and in the courses.component.html I have added this one, course add trigger for the app course, and here in the course.component.cs we need to import it. So this is how we will be applying a simple thing. And another thing what I want to do is, so this is the thing which is completed, right? So I will commit this all the code in a new branch, that is nothing but in video-37. Let's do this. So I will commit this all the code, add animation for course, add, okay, for course. So I will commit this all the code. Let me commit it. So publish this branch, and if you whatever the things you may be having a doubts and all those things, if you want to refer this code and all the things, so you can go to my GitHub repository URL. The link is provided in the description below. So you can description below of every video, and here whatever the video you are having doubts, you can go to that particular video branch and you can check this code. So fine, right? So that's it guys. So doing the animation for this one. So we'll try to improve more and more for this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.